Let's take a look at the OmniGraffle sidebar. You can access it by tapping the sidebar button in the upper left corner. The sidebar gives you a list of all the objects on your canvas organized by layer. You can turn individual layers on or off by tapping on the display icon that looks like an eyeball. I'll go ahead and turn on layer 2 and then turn it off again. You can also reorganize the layers. I'm going to select layer 2 and drag it up. Now, once I do that, if I make layer 2 visible, it's going to block the rest of the image because the big box is in front of the other objects. So now I'm going to hide layer 2 again and move it back to the bottom. Once you have a layer just right, tap on the lock icon to prevent further changes. In the sidebar, you can collapse a layer by double tapping the layer icon. This helps visibility if you have a lot of layers. While in the sidebar, you can select individual objects and change their names. And you can also make multiple selections if you want to change just certain objects on your canvas. In the sidebar, you can also rename your canvas. There's a lot of contextual options available in the sidebar. I'm going to go ahead and select these 4 shapes, then long press on them, and I will group them. Once grouped, they will show up as a group. I could give them a name, or I can tap on this little arrow, and it displays the individual group objects. In addition to the Canvases pane, there's also the Selection pane in the sidebar that allows you to select objects by their type. These are called style sets, and I'm going to select the style set that has all of the lines on this canvas. And now that they're all selected, I'll open the inspector and increase the point size. At the bottom of the selection sidebar are the selection filters. You can turn these off and on to control which style attributes OmniGraffle uses to form the style sets above. The OmniGraffle sidebar is an excellent tool to help you select and further modify your objects.